Welcome back to beautiful Nicaragua, and right beside me is Lago Solotlan, one of the lakes here in Nicaragua that's known for its beauty. Over there on the side of the lake in the background is a small volcano. We're actually right now in a port area of Nicaragua called Puerto Salvador Allende. So it's a nice area to come hang out with the family, come have a beer, or maybe explore the nightlife. So today we're gonna do a walking tour. I'm gonna show you guys around what are people up to, what it's like to hang out here, and we're gonna explore this small port here that's a little bit, I think, long, like maybe 1 or 2 kilometers long. It's gonna be a beautiful video. So this port is actually located in the capital of Nicaragua, which is Managua. It's a short drive, maybe 25-minute drive from the center of Managua, and it's worth the drive because here they have bars, they have pubs, they have restaurants, and it has really good nightlife. Right now in Nicaragua it is Christmas, so there's a lot of festivities going on. You'll hear some fireworks in the background. It's cooler weather. Usually Managua is very hot, but in December the weather is a little bit on the cooler side, which is perfect for just taking a stroll outside. What I really love about this port here is all these palapas, or all this style seating that they built here, so you can just come hang out with the family, grab something to eat and sit down and admire the view over here. Look at that beautiful view right there. They also have a boat that's running trips over here, so that is technically a small port. Today is actually more full than I thought. It's a Saturday here in Nicaragua, and everyone's looking to spend some time with family. And like I mentioned, the holidays are coming up. People in Nicaragua, they love celebrating Christmas. Oh, there's our first Christmas tree right there. Look how nice that looks. Oh, they did a good job actually. That's amazing. It looks like they have a little reindeer for the kids up here where they can come hang out and relax. We're about to get into the area where they have a few of the restaurants and a few of the bars, so it's gonna get a little bit noisy. So if you have a beer at home, just grab a beer and vibe with it. So we got some restaurants out here. The sunset's gonna fall pretty soon, so they're getting ready for the nightlife here and for people to come out and party. Usually this is all full here of people just having a good time, drinking beer. But like I mentioned, it's still daylight. It's a little bit windy today too, so later at night this is gonna get pretty popping here. Let's continue walking further. Let's see what kind of street vendors we can run into today. Personally, I'm not a huge fan of Managua. I love Nicaragua because of its untapped tourism areas, like up north Nicaragua where I live. But I would say that this is one of my favorite spots in Managua, to come out here, enjoy a relaxing walk and enjoy some views. Check it out, they even have a little train here for the kids, or maybe adults too, to go around and walk, which is freaking amazing. It looks like they have the Grinch out here and Santa Claus. Oh man, the kids are in for a treat. That is awesome. I love to see this kind of things. Oh, take a look at those big horses right there. Nicaragua is really into their horses. They even have hípicos, which is caravans of horses here. That is cool. You have your kids take a picture with the horse. I really love how they did this area here with the palm trees, the wood, very rustic, artisanal look that I think goes perfect with this whole environment. And not only that, with the vibe of Nicaragua. Let's check out what they have. It looks like they have some nice artisanal stuff. Some nice Nicaraguan jerseys, some good paintings, little guitars. I think it's a nice area if you want to come grab yourself a souvenir here, something you want to go back to the States with and to remember Nicaragua, you know? That's only the start. I think there's a lot more. Let's go check out a little further. Let's walk a little further out of this port area. That looks very beautiful actually, with the wind right now, the flags and everything just moving along there. The sun coming down. They got a jumpy house here for the kids. Amazing. Got some nice Nicaraguan pastries here. That is awesome. Oh man, look at that big Christmas tree out in the back right now. We're starting to step away from the outer edge of the port here. We're going a little more inland, but it looks like there's a lot of movement over here, so we're gonna go check out what people are doing. Quite a packed day. beautiful day here in Managua, Nicaragua. The weather is just perfection right now. It's high season right now. It's December and there's a lot of people traveling. I went to go check into a hotel and it was all booked, so I needed to go to another hotel. So that is like pretty crazy to see that influx of people. Tourism is starting to pick up a lot here in Nicaragua. More people are now starting to come to this country. That is super cool. There's a rainbow in the background right here, in the back of all these lights over here. And it looks like they put up a 2025, year 2025, getting ready to welcome the new year here in beautiful Central America. You know what a lot of people get wrong about coming to Nicaragua is that they think it's a dangerous country. That's like one of the big questions I get here in the channel, and I think one of the big misconceptions. I've never felt myself in danger. I mean, my wife, there's travelers here. I would say it's a really safe country, and that in the sense of that, you shouldn't worry here. The people here are awesome. They'll help you in any way. And of course, just exercise common sense, you know. As long as you have common sense for everything, you'll be fine. You can walk around and you can feel at peace, you know. 2025. We gotta welcome the new year. It's coming soon now. I love seeing this, just families out here enjoying their Saturday, eating some good home-cooked meals there. Check that out. And just vibing, you know, just passing the time. That's what life's about, really. Creating moments with the people you love and doing what you love, because that's all you're gonna have, you know, at the end of the day. Those memories. Buenas. ¿Qué jugo tiene? Jugo de naranja. Sí. I'm gonna get myself a nice orange juice here so we can continue this vlog here. Everything 100% natural and made right here, she was telling me. Look at what I got. I was expecting to get a normal orange juice, but now it definitely feels like I'm in a tropical country here. Some nice pineapple orange juice with an apple inside of it and a little umbrella. Who wants to come out here and enjoy this with me? We have the vendors that are starting to set up right now on the sidelines, getting ready for a night party. They have pizza, they have grilled corn, they have barbecue meat, they have juices. They technically have a little bit of everything here that you could want, and it's very affordable too, so it's a very good vibe. I like how they're doing the lights here too. If you look at the top right now, it's very festive with all these lights coming across the street here. So right now we're getting close to the National Palace. So we've been walking for about maybe 2 kilometers and the sun is starting to set. We're actually close to a park called Luis Alfonso. So that way, if you ever want to come check this area out, you know exactly where I'm at. But let me show you a little bit around what they have going on here. Very beautiful park. Super clean actually. It's very quiet and they're decorating so nicely too. I mean, just take a look at the size of this Christmas tree right now. It is amazing. So check it out. That is the National Palace, Palacio Nacional here in Managua, Nicaragua. I'm not quite sure what that building is here. If you know, below, comment. And then they got Casa de los Pueblos. I'm thinking that's some type of governmental building. But I think they've done a good job here of showing up with the Christmas spirit. It always makes me smile. It's just so beautiful to see all these people out here enjoying themselves. So if you have a day in Managua, what should you do? Well, I would say consider coming out here. Take a taxi ride from your hotel to over here, 25-minute ride. And then spend the day walking around, get yourself some nice juice, get to see some of the historic buildings, visit the parks, and check out the lake. I think that's a good day spent, and maybe go get some food somewhere else. When you're traveling Nicaragua, I think one of the tips I can give you is don't be scared to go off the beaten path. There's a lot of people that just follow the tourist circuit, maybe go to the beach only and that's it. But to me, Nicaragua has a lot more to offer than just a pretty beach. And definitely checking out places like this where you can walk around and check out the history is worth doing. This is only the surface of what you can do in Managua, or maybe you can do in Nicaragua. Like where I live up north, and I rarely see any tourists make it up there, but there's so many hidden gems, and partly because you need more time to explore, and also some people are just kind of scared to get over here and get that far up north in the country, you know. So a tip to you is don't be scared to explore this country. The people are friendly, they're lovely, they'll help you, and you'll be okay, you know, you'll be fine. Oh, here's another beautiful one right here. These are gorgeous. Such a good job. I'm starting to think they're gonna have like a competition here and judge which company or person put up the best stand, because these are just way done too nicely right now. I mean, take a look at them. It's beautiful. Oh, this is from the Institute of Sports here in Nicaragua. That is nice. They got some nice gifts that they're selling out here too. Well, whatever the new year holds for us, I want you guys to have a blessed New Year's 2025. Can you believe this year is already over? It happened like that to me, a blink of an eye. We did manage to grow the channel from 3,000 subs close to 8,000 subs just in 1 year, and we managed to sell some coffee thanks to you guys. And because of that, we managed to invest more in the farm, invest more in the people here in Nicaragua. And this is only the beginning. I really believe that 2025 is going to be a big year for us, a big year for the channel. I have a goal that I want to reach 50,000 subs by the end of this next year, 2025. So with you guys joining on board, we can make this possible. Keep in mind, the more subs, the better we can do in here in the community, building home for people and selling more coffee for other producers to get access to markets. I hope you enjoyed the video, the exploration of this port here. If you want to see more videos and vlogs about Managua or just locations in Nicaragua, let me know, comment below. Make sure to subscribe so we can push towards that goal and make more things happen here in Nicaragua. It is your Coffee Familia signing off. I'll see you guys in next week's video. Cheers and blessings.